Hello. Today we're going to try another kind of poem. For a topic, we'll think of some of our favorite things. This time we'll also think about how the words sound. We'll use words that rhyme. The easiest things to write about are your favorite things because they're things you know a lot about. If you love playing video games, you probably know a lot about them. If you love karate or soccer or pizza, you probably know a lot about that too. And if you have a lot of things that you like, you can even make a poem of all your favorite things. Here's how. My favorite things list poem. Okay. Step 1, make a list of as many of your favorite things as you can think of. Like this: chocolate cake, soccer, movies, puppies, music, computers. Step 2, see if you can rhyme anything on your list with something else you like. For example, you might like steak as well as chocolate cake. Do you hear the rhyme, steak and cake? You don't have to find rhymes for every word, just a few. Step 3, rearrange your words so that you put the rhyming words, cake and steak, at the ends of lines, or at the ends of every other line, like this. Soccer, movies, chocolate cake, computers, puppies, music, steak. Do you hear the rhythm? Step 4, create an ending for your poem. Since this happens to be a poem about things that you like, you might plan to end the poem with a couple of lines like this. These are all the things I like. When I reread the poem, I see I need another line. This is what it sounds like. Soccer, movies, chocolate cake, computers, puppies, music, steak. These are all the things I like. I need something that rhymes with like. What do I like that rhymes with like? I've got it. Soccer, movies, chocolate cake, computers, puppies, music, steak, monkeys, Minecraft, riding my bike. These are all the things I like. I added this part. Well, wait a minute. I could also end my poem like this. Some other good endings you might include. Monkeys, Minecraft, cinnamon toast. These are things I like the most. Or monkeys, Minecraft, marshmallow fluff. This is all my favorite stuff. Or monkeys, Minecraft, diamond rings. These are all my favorite things. I could go on, but I think you get the idea. Now you give it a try. Think of some of your favorite things and make a poem about them. You can make your own or use the poem above and add your own verses to the beginning or middle. Then ask your grown-up to send your teacher a picture of your work. We can't wait to see it.